Welcome to Nature, Guardians of Green, a mini documentary dedicated to individuals who find joy and purpose in connecting and helping in protecting the natural world. We begin among the plants, each tended to with care and patience. If you listen closely, you could hear the footsteps of boots, shoveling of soil, and the watering of plants. They are one of the guardians of green, the gardeners.
Hi, my name is Go. I find joy in gardening. There's something magical about nurturing plants and watching them slowly grow.
Gardening helps to improve a person's patience. Due to the long time taken for a plant to grow, each planted greens have to be tended to with care and time.
When I garden, I feel at peace. It's rewarding to see the flowers bloom and vegetables grow, knowing that I played such an important part.
However, gardening is not just a hobby. It's also a way for people to reconnect with nature. It gives us a chance to give back to the natural world.
I think the act of gardening itself is super helpful. It helped me practice being patient and attentive to my surrounding. It's also good for the environment too.
Gardening also helps improve the local ecosystem by providing habitats for insects and birds. All of these guardians of green work around nature. They immerse themselves in the beauty of the natural world. However, this new guardian works from home. Meet Suash, our next guardian. He's an online creator with a massive following. While other guardians work among the natural world, Suash works in the digital world.
Hi, my name is Suash Nair. I am an online influencer. I try my best to use platform to raise awareness towards topics like this. It's the least I can do to help out.
Nowadays, online platforms like YouTube and Instagram are the main way for advertising and the spread of information. Posting online with a mass following draws tremendous amounts of attention towards that topic, and in this case, draws attention towards the crisis looming over the natural world.
I have the fortune in having a flexible work, so I'm taking this opportunity to raise awareness and draw attention towards other major matters like the extinction of exotic plant and animals.
Being a guardian does not mean just taking complex and drastic actions. Sometimes the simpler ways are effective as well. That brings us to the next guardian, the volunteers.
I'm Gajen and I'm a volunteer. I spend my time volunteering for the beach cleanups. To me, it's a therapeutic experience that helps the environment at the same time.
Around 8.3 million tons of plastic gets washed up on the beach every year. As guardians of green, they took up the responsibility to clean up the beach.
Oh my god, Sam, look at the amount of rubbish. It's irresponsible.
The beauty of nature is that it unites people from all backgrounds, each giving their best in protecting the environment and making a better place for the next generation.
I think it's really important for people to volunteer. Some organizations are not government funded, so having volunteers really helps support these organizations.
Volunteering exposes people to the harsh truth of pollution. In order for one to help preserve the natural world, they need to understand the consequences of humanity's lifestyles.
Life itself is filled with beauty. Due to the modern day pace, people tend to look over that. I feel like it's really important for people to take a step back and admire the beauty of the natural world. Because if you don't, how will you put the effort in protecting nature?
We all can be guardians of green. By taking small steps to care for our planet, we can make a big difference. Let's all do our part to keep our world clean and green.